The Konyak Cultural Troupe, performing a romantic folk song and dance titled Maipong, Lokpu. This song expresses and complements the enticing beauty of both young men and women. This love song is lively and charismatic with references to birds and other natural beauties. It also talks about marriage and living with one's loved one for eternity. The song emphasizes the importance of sacrifice and respect in love and relationships. Audience is advised that the Konyak Cultural Troupe are shooting live shots. Please do not be alarmed.
Up next, we will be witnessing a commemorative performance by the Konyak Cultural Troupe. In view of the 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival, every tribe will present their respective commemorative performance on different days. All the commemorative performances will be judged and the best performance will be announced and awarded on the 10th of December. This afternoon, the Konyak Cultural Troupe will be presenting to us the commemorative performance. Gentlemen, let's give them a huge round of applause for the Konyak Cultural Troupe.